The arc measurement object in 2D graphics allows you to dimension entities such as curved walls automatically. With a first click, define the starting point of the arc. With the second click, we can set the end point. A third click sets the curvature. The measurement, as you can see, is then attached to the mouse cursor, and to fix it, simply click again. This dimensioning process requires the measuring of the radius, the length of the wall, and the angle. If we select the measurement, we can edit the measurement points again and update the measurement dynamically. In the Properties toolbox, you can then choose the measurement to show.